Welcome to Johann's Planet.
Hello! Today we are reading Elmo's Emojis, a book of faces and feelings. Written and illustrated by Sesame Workshop. Elmo has a big smile on his face. He feels very happy today. How do you feel? My, that's a big frown. Oscar the Grouch feels grouchy, of course. Cookie Monster feels worried. He's not sure he has enough cookies to share. Look at that big smile. Cookie Monster feels excited. He has enough cookies to share with everyone. Uh-oh, Bert feels frustrated. He can't find his favorite socks. Ernie feels so sorry. He lost Bert's favorite socks. He tells Bert he is sorry. Big Bird feels joyful. He wants to sing a song. Sing along with him. La la la. Abby Cadabby feels disappointed. Her new spell didn't work. She will try again. Abby's smile reappears. She feels so proud. Her spell worked perfectly this time. Sleepy eyes show that Bert is feeling tired. It's time for him to say goodnight. Look at Ernie wink. He is feeling so silly. He hopes Bert is still awake to hear his new joke. We are almost at the end of the book. This little monster feels sad. Can you blow Elmo a kiss? Thank you. Elmo loves you. The end.